How to fix Instagram notes not showing. That's what you will learn in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, if you are unlucky, just like me, you will know that Instagram has not added the notes feature to your account for some reason. As you can see, Instagram has added this new feature that's called notes, which is kind of a text stories that appear in the messaging section right here. But for some reason, they have enrolled it for some accounts and not for the others. And as you can see, just like you, I don't have the feature yet on this account, but I do have it in some other accounts. I don't know why is that. Anyway, there are a couple of things that you can do in order to get the feature. First of all, make sure that your uh, Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Mine it's updated, but I don't have the feature yet. So what I will do is I will go back to the home page, and you should follow these steps too, so you can enable the notes feature on your account. Once you are here, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down till you find the more info and support section, and from there click on help, then click on report a problem, click report a problem to continue, click include and continue, and you will land on this messaging section right here, in which you want to write a message to the Instagram support team, asking them to provide the notes feature on your account. And you can also include a screenshot of your own messaging section, which where you don't have the notes feature. And you can write something like this. I'm just going to do it briefly. You can do it more with more explanation. Please enable the notes feature on my account, as I really need it for whatever. Just tell them any reason. It depends on each person. And once you are done, for specific reasons, and once you are done, click on the send button at the top right corner, and after a while they should get back to you and enable the feature on your account. That's how a lot of people got the feature that were just in the same case as you and I. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and fix the missing notes feature on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.